Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. And today I want to share with you how I decorated my Christmas tree. So with nothing else to say, let's begin. This is how it comes. I wanted to show you the step by step. It comes in 3 pieces and it comes already named by A, B, and C, so it's pretty easy. I really love that they included these gloves. These gloves are a lifesaver, you guys. In previous years, I always scratch my hands trying to opening the branches or putting ornaments inside, but this is just perfect. Like, I didn't even have one scratch this year. So here I wanted to show you the tree already with the branches opened, and now I'm going to go ahead and light it up. I would always recommend you guys to add extra lights. Why? Because it'll make it look more full. So I'm using 2 of these 500 from Walmart. These are warm LED lights, and they just kind of like go with the other color. Look, here already have the lights and it looks so much better. Next, I'll be using this ribbon. This one is from Big Lots, and then I'll be using this one also from Michael's. And finally, I'll be using this other one from Big Lots too. So the technique is I started from the top. So all you do is insert the ribbon very lightly, and then you go like a zigzag in that shape, and then just walk your way down from the top to the bottom. So I repeated the same process, you guys, with all the other 3 ribbons. I just alternated the colors, and this is what you can see the way it's turning out. Next, we'll proceed to add the ornaments, and I'll be adding these flowers. These are from Walmart and they are my favorite. I had them last year, you guys, on my last tree, but I decided to pick up a couple of more. You're gonna see them close, but once they open, they're gorgeous. Here's another white one. This one is from Walmart, and it was so affordable, you guys. For the size of these flowers, they were only like $2.98. I mean, that's a steal for that size. And I placed my flowers first because they were the bigger element in the tree besides the ribbon. Then we proceed to add all the other little ornaments, and I wanted to show you the zigzag of all the ribbons and how beautiful they already look. What I do is I lay all my ornaments on a table so that way I can see them visually, and place my most favorite ones on the front and then the other ones kind of like in between or in the more inside. These beautiful pearl ones are from Big Lots, and once I saw them, I had to pick them up. And I basically recycled all my ornaments, you guys, from last year. These ones are from the Dollar Tree, and I have a lot of them from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart. And I just placed them on the tree, and then everywhere there was a gap or a little hole, I went ahead and filled it in with this cotton. And it was a technique that it worked perfectly because it makes the tree looks more full with less ornaments. For the bottom, I'll be using this skirt. This one is from last year also, and it is from Hobby Lobby. They also added this. What I did here is I placed around it, I went around it with this little leaf, and I just inserted them into the tree, and then I repeated the same process. These ones are also from Lark Silk. And once I was almost done, I went to Michael's and picked up this gorgeous jewelry. These ornaments, these have beaded glass, and the whole ornament is a glass ornament, so it's very delicate. They were like $2 or $3 each, but I couldn't let them go. So for the bottom of the tree, I wanted to make sure I added some gifts. I already had a couple of gifts, and also I added these white boxes that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I added a beautiful ribbon, and I added pillows on the back so it kind of looks more full. So as the gifts come, obviously it's gonna feel more full. Next, I added the nativity on the bottom as well. And this is the whole meaning of Christmas, you guys. This one is from HomeGoods, and I got it previous years ago, so many years ago, and I still have it. For the side, I kind of wanted to stage it a little bit, you know, mixing elements. So I used a little stepper that I had. I put this fur rug on top. Then I added my DIYs, couple of them. If you guys haven't seen those, I'll go ahead and link them at the end of this video. And then I placed a pillow and kind of like just staging this space, making it look more like Winter Wonderland. I'll go ahead and link this rug for you guys. I got it at Amazon, but also I've seen them in Ross for a little bit less. The Santa that you guys see here came from HomeGoods, and the reindeer is also a DIY. I'll go ahead and link that for you. The little sign came from Target at $3. adore this tree. This is my best tree yet, you guys, but I would love to know, what do you guys think of this tree decorating? Did you find it inspiring to make your tree as glam as this one, or what are your thoughts on this tree? I'm absolutely in love. I am so happy with the final result, you guys, and I hope you have wonderful holidays. If you're not part of my YouTube family, I would love to have you here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the right side of the screen, and also the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. This is everything for today, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for tuning in. Have a nice day. Ciao.